Unity in Unforeseen Moments, a tale of compassion in immigration office. Amid the bustling immigration office, a miracle unfolded. An expectant mother, poised on the precipice of an interview, went into labor. The reaction from the room was swift, a unity born of shared humanity. Employees and waiting immigrants alike sprang into action, a symphony of cooperative care. Phone calls were hastily made, summoning an ambulance, while others provided rudimentary first aid, learned from countless sources and shared in this dire moment. Amid the chaos, calming voices surfaced, soothing the tense atmosphere. The baby arrived, a joyous testament to resilience. After a frenetic dash to the hospital, mother and newborn were declared healthy and joyfully content. In the face of adversity, the spirit of the community shone, a beacon of aid and empathy. An immigrant, a newborn, and a room full of kind-hearted people, a tale of human compassion.